Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean of abundance, where every wave brings closer the treasures of prosperity and well-being. Today, we look into the powerful currents of money affirmations that promise to enhance not just your financial state, but your health and overall wealth. Get ready to repeat these affirmations with us, as each one is designed to align your energy with the vibrations of success and affluence. Prepare to open your mind and heart as we start on this transformative journey together. Let's begin. Every day I am attracting more opportunities to increase my wealth and success. I am a magnet for prosperity. Wealth naturally flows to me from multiple sources. My actions create constant prosperity because I live with a mindset of abundance. I am worthy of making more money, and I open myself to financial success and prosperity. Every decision I make is guided by the universe, leading me to wealth and health. I am a powerful creator. I create the life I want and enjoy prosperity in all forms. My life is filled with health and wealth. I prosper wherever I turn. Abundance is my natural state of being. I see it everywhere. I am a vibrant being of love and energy, attracting exactly what I need at all times. Wealth constantly flows into my life, bringing positive energy and financial stability. My mind is a powerful magnet for profitable ideas and opportunities. Every day in every way, my wealth is increasing and my health is improving. I am financially abundant and money comes to me naturally. I am grateful for the wealth that is inside of me and all around me. My resources are growing higher than I ever could have imagined. I embrace new avenues of income and enjoy the benefits they bring. I have a wealth mindset that keeps expanding, drawing abundance into my life. My energy aligns perfectly with wealth, health, and abundance. I manifest my financial desires and am rewarded with prosperity. I am open to all the wealth life offers me. My financial well-being is secure and constantly growing. I am surrounded by an abundance. I live a prosperous life and my treasury is always full. My ability to conquer challenges creates a steady stream of financial opportunities. Every day I live my dream of abundance and health. I trust my inner guidance and thrive financially. I have all that I need to make today a prosperous day. I move from poverty thinking to abundance thinking, and my finances reflect this change. I let go of all resistance to prosperity, and it comes to me naturally. Financial success is mine. I claim it and enjoy the fruits of my labor. I am the master of my wealth. I attract abundance by being grateful for what I already have. The universe is abundant and there is plenty for everyone, including me. My wealth derives from honesty in everything I do. I am open and receptive to all the wealth the universe offers me. I embrace riches and welcome them into my life. I constantly discover new sources of income. I release all negative beliefs about money and invite wealth into my life. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I use money to better my life and the lives of others. Wealth and spirituality can coexist in harmony. I am capable of overcoming any money obstacles that stand in my way. I can handle massive success with grace. Money expands my life's opportunities and experiences. I draw from the abundance of the universe to manifest my desires. My wallet and my heart are full. I am a haven for financial blessings and attract them wherever I go. My life is a blast of growing opportunity because I never stop creating. I am a millionaire mind in action. Prosperity is drawn to me. The money comes to me easily and effortlessly. The winning starts with beginning, and I have already won. I am grateful for my healthy body, my wealthy mind, and my rich spirit. Today I claim my share in the abundance of the universe. I have a wealth mindset that transforms every obstacle into an opportunity. Every dollar I spend circulates, multiplies, and comes back to me multiplied. The more I give, the more I receive, and the happier I feel. My income exceeds my expenses. I am debt-free as money is constantly flowing into my life. My money consciousness is always expanding. I release all opposition to wealth and align with an abundant destiny. I thrive under pressure and always turn situations to my advantage. Opportunities chase me down for prosperity. I am receptive to new wealth-building ideas or opportunities. My money works hard for me and makes me more and more money. I trust my intuition to lead me to the right paths for financial success. I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. Today I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. I have been given endless talents which I begin to utilize today. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. My business is growing, expanding, and thriving. Creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ideas. Happiness is a choice. I base my happiness on my own accomplishments and the blessings I've been given. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. I deserve the best and I accept the best now. I am the creator of my reality and I am abundant in all areas of life. Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and I move forward. I am courageous and I stand up for myself. My path is paved with success and prosperity. I walk it with confidence. Wealth gravitates toward me because I am always ready to receive it. Every breath I take fills me with confidence, and every step I take moves me toward wealth. I am financially free, for my mind is constantly tuned to the frequency of abundance. Prosperity is attracted to my positive energy and the actions I take to secure it. I am a powerhouse of innovation and a magnet for financial blessings. My dreams of wealth do not sleep. They manifest while I am awake and while I rest. Every interaction I have is an opportunity to manifest prosperity. My financial goals are clear, achievable, and within reach. I give generously to others and receive abundance with gratitude. My wealth is increasing exponentially because I manage it wisely. Success and money come to me in a harmonious and healthy manner. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and abundance now. I visualize my financial success and watch it materialize in real life. Prosperity supports my deepest life purposes and dreams. I am resilient, resourceful, and rising in all areas of life, including my finances. Every dollar I save sparks the potential for more wealth. I am worthy of a prosperous life and accept it now with open arms. The universe conspires to fulfill my every need, including my financial desires. My financial well-being is ensured by my positive actions and positive mindset. Wealth is my natural state, my rightful position, and I claim it with joy. I am constantly upgrading my mindset to attract better financial opportunities. My energy is limitless and my capacity to earn is unlimited. Each day, the doors to financial success swing wider open. I am in harmony with the universe, and this alignment brings me endless prosperity. My financial intuition is keen. I make smart choices for wealth building. I respect my finances and cultivate a habit of growing them responsibly. I am deserving of financial abundance and I embrace it fully. My life is a canvas and I paint it with colors of prosperity and success. Financial abundance follows me in all that I do and all places I go. Every financial seed I plant grows into sustained prosperity. I am a money magnet and wealth defines my everyday experiences. I embrace and act on my fantastic money-making ideas. My positive attitude towards money attracts more money. I see prosperity everywhere and I am grateful for it. I transform every challenge into wisdom, wealth, and growth. My energy is for creating wealth and sharing prosperity. The universe generously blesses my finances. Wealth is an integral part of my life's journey, enhancing each experience. I am tuned into the flow of prosperity and participate eagerly. These powerful affirmations are designed to guide you toward a life of increased success, health, and wealth. By repeating them daily, you align your spirit with the frequencies of prosperity and abundance. Consistency is key in transforming these affirmations from simple words to a manifested reality. If you found value in these practices, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more empowering content like this to you. Repeat these affirmations, believe in their power, and watch as the doors to prosperity open before you.